Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a hair growth recipe that will have your hair growing like crazy, as well as helping to combat excessive hair shedding. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this hair growth oil is going to be 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves, as well as 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. And I also have 2 tablespoons of nettle leaves, and I also have 2 tablespoons of cloves. So now I'm going to add all the ingredients into a mason jar, and I'm going to let you guys know the benefits of each ingredient. For more details on the ingredients, you can go ahead and check in the description box. That's where I put all the details of each ingredient that I use, as well as the recipe and links to where you can get everything. So first, we're going to start with cloves. The antioxidants of cloves help to increase circulation in the scalp and in turn work to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Fenugreek helps in treating dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp, treating hair loss, triggering hair growth, adding the lost shine to your hair, and also helps to regrow your hair loss. Rosemary helps to increase hair follicles as well as overall hair growth. Also, rosemary has helped to increase hair thickness. Nettle leaves are rich with silica and sulfur, which helps to combat hair loss and also helps in hair regrowth. So after I've added all my ingredients into the mason jar, I'm going to fill up my mason jar with a carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. I'm going to be using an olive oil and sunflower oil blend. So now I'm just going to take the mason jar and put it into this boiling water. I have my stove set in between low to medium heat, and I'm going to let this sit for about 4 hours. Now, if you have a crock pot, that will also work as well. And also, if you don't want to do this step, you can just take the mason jar and place it into a cabinet and just let it sit in the cabinet for about a week to 2 weeks to allow the herbs to really infuse into the oil. So now it's been about 4 hours, and I removed the mason jar from the boiling water, and I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to just let it cool. And I'm going to go ahead and just strain the oil. So when it comes to this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil. You can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. And this is just an overall great oil to help with hair growth, also help with hair loss, help with excessive shedding. When using it as a scalp oil, apply it from root to ends at least 2 to 3 times a week. And also I would suggest following up with a light scalp massage. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.